Hey everybody, let's make some laundry soap. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to make some homemade laundry soap. Had a few people asking me for the recipes. I'm going to do dry laundry detergent and we're going to do liquid laundry detergent. But first, before we begin, I wanted to talk about the store-bought laundry detergent, anything that you buy. I want you to understand that we're probably using way too much of this for our loads. I took the cup from my cabinet, and if you look carefully on the inside, it'll have like these numbers that go up, up, up and tell you how much to use per cup. We're filling them all the way up. I've been known to do the same thing, fill them all the way up and dump them in. But here you can see on the cup, the number 5 is for the heaviest load of laundry, and it's almost just at the halfway mark for your heaviest load. So my advice would be to take your store-bought laundry soap, save an old jug, the one that's empty, and when you bring home a brand new jug, you're going to pour half of it into the old jug, and then you're going to put water in both of those jugs. So now you'll have 2 seemingly full brand new jugs of laundry soap. You're going to shake it, shake it, shake it, and mix that up, the water and the soap, because it's so concentrated and we're using so much. You know, it takes months for our clothes to be rinsed clean of typical laundry soap when we use it undiluted. It's that strong. And people wonder why they break out and they're so sensitive. Well, we're just using way too much soap product. So this is a nice way to lighten up and save some money. And likewise for your fabric softener, if you want to still buy that, the same thing. It's a great frugal idea. Get yourself a brand new jug, save the old jug that's empty, pour the new jug halfway into this one. Now you've got 2 half full jugs, and then you're going to fill them both with water and shake them. And now you have 2 brand new jugs, because again, it's so concentrated and we're using so much in our capfuls. We shouldn't be using this much. And the line inside here is over halfway down per load. Over halfway. I don't know what the big deal is for everybody to want to walk around smelling like laundry soap, but there's a big deal about it. And then we douse ourselves in perfume. So it's like, it's just craziness. If you're going to continue to use them, that would be my best advice to save money, especially, is to just, first of all, water them down and then use a lot less. So, okay, now that we're done talking about that, let's get on to making our own laundry soap. This is going to be the dry version. You can see I already have some here, and I love this batch because I had some essential oils that were for sleepy time, and oh my gosh, it was so great. It's great to put on pillowcases and sheets, nightgowns, anything like that you're going to go to bed in, because then you have those essential oils that are in your clothes and in your pillowcase and sheets. It's wonderful. But you can see I'm getting a little bit low. So I'm going to go ahead and make some more and replenish it. And we're going to use baking soda, washing soda, which is a different product than baking soda, Epsom salt, and plain old salt. And then for your scents, you could use essential oils, anything you like. Also, you can find Epsom salt in the lavender scent. So if you don't have any essential oils and you still want to have a fantastic smell to it, a scent, get yourself some lavender Epsom salt, and that'll help a lot. So for each product, I went ahead and looked it up. The baking soda, this is 4 pounds. It costs $3.34. And the washing soda was $5.38. And this is a 3 pound, 0.7 ounce box. It actually feels heavier than this, which I think is funny. The Epsom salt, you could get $4.98 for 3 pounds of the lavender scented, or the plain is $4.16, and that's 4 pound bags of Epsom salts. Regular table salt, you know, $1, I think. And then of course your essential oils if you choose to use them. So the final cost to buy everything you need to make your powdered laundry soap is $13.88. That's it. If you mix up a batch of this, you're going to have, well, all of it combined, if you kept mixing and kept using, you'll have ultimately over 5 batches that you have made, right? Over 5 batches. This only takes 1 tablespoon per load. So consequently, what you'll have in the end for $13.88 is potentially 320 uses. 320 loads of laundry that you'll get from $13.88 in product. So it pays to have this. It's healthier. There's no bleaches. There's nothing bad in here for you. So it just makes sense to go that route. Okay, so first of all, what we're going to do, we're going to take 1.5 cups of our baking soda. Okay, I got a little less than 1 cup, so I'm going to go ahead and fill up the rest. There's 1 cup. This is just so stinking easy. And there's my other 1/2 cup. I also want 1.5 cups of the washing soda. This is me being lazy, I swear. Okay. I got a little less than 1 cup here, so I'm going to fill it. There's my 1 cup, and let me get a half. I haven't had to make any in so long that it's just gotten a little bit chunky in there. Okay, so we have our washing soda, our baking soda. Now we're going to go ahead and use our Epsom salt, and we want 1/2 cup of that. Please don't spill. Please don't spill. It just smells so fresh already. You know, it's just, I don't feel like I'm using something that's going to end up being bad for me. I don't know. It's like the deodorant. When I made the homemade deodorant, every time I use that, I just feel as though it's something that my body will absorb and it's not bad. I mean, skin is our largest organ, and we're putting so much on it and taking it in, and then we wonder why we're habitually sick. So 1/2 cup of Epsom salt, and then we need 2 tablespoons of plain table salt. Gosh, everything, this moisture is just gone. 2 tablespoons. All right. I've got my little wooden paddle, and I'm just going to mix it up a bit and get the chunks out. Everything's been so dry. Oh, it just smells good from the last batch that I made. Oh, wow. Okay, so from here, you can add your essential oils. So today I've chosen one of my favorites is Petted Grain. Oh my gosh, I just love this. It's in so many lotions, and you could find it in so many different products. I had to hunt down this scent. I didn't know what it was, and I kept smelling it in lotions and shampoos, and finally we went on a trip to Minneapolis a few months ago, and my husband and I, we were staying at this beautiful hotel in downtown Minneapolis, and they had all of these products called It Works. If you haven't heard of them, look them up. They're amazing. They have shampoo, conditioner, lotion, everything, and soap. And they had it all through the hotel room. And I was so excited because I'd had the lotion before, but I hadn't tried the shampoo and conditioner. So I was stoked. I was so happy. And I read the ingredients, and that's when I found out that that scent was petitgrain. And I went home and ordered some, and I've been putting it in everything because the It Works products, they do work. They're fantastic, but they're expensive. They're a lot of money. Oh, this just smells wonderful. All right, that's it. That's my powdered detergent mix. A tablespoon is all you need for a load. If you have a really big, nasty load, I'd put a little bit more in, but you certainly don't need a whole lot. So that's my recipe for powdered laundry detergent. Next, we'll be working on liquid laundry detergent. I hope that this video finds you well, and I hope that you might find some usefulness out of the beginning of the video, talking about using products a lot less and watering them down, and just being more cautious with those products and trying to save some money. I look forward to seeing you all again soon. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.